Today I got opportunity to visit Voice for Voiceless in Beperi. Really, it's a very great learnings I got through this, visiting this workshop. The first great learning is choose the things before you use. Second thing is honesty. Third, the atmosphere and the place where you live in, and the thoughts. Being positive always, and doing good things. I thank this at this moment Sachin coach to give me this opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.